morning with you guys. It's me and Catherine, your girl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So ngayon guys, mas low pa yung energy ko because it's early in the morning and I am here at Kaeng Krachan National Park. So we stay here and do camping, and this is our view. So nag-camp kami dun guys. So I haven't vlogged yesterday because there's a lot of going on. Ano pa kami ng tent, and then we prepare foods, and so much things is happening that we need to settle ourselves. But now it's our day 2 here in Kaeng Krachan Dam. So we're staying here at the dam guys. It's so nice. It's so perfectly nice. It's so overwhelming. Parang may time kang magpahinga at the same time makapag-relax, and it's actually my first experience doing a camping, and it's so amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna show you our trip for the whole day too, so stay tuned. But before anything else, let's go back where everything started. We traveled for a long way just to arrive at the famous Kaeng Krachan National Park. It took us 8 hours to arrive in our final destination. We decided to camp in our first night in Kaeng Krachan Dam. Luckily, there's not too much campers on the area. It's my first to do camping, so I'm all excited, especially in setting up our tent. By the way, if you want to camp here also, you need to pay 300 baht for foreigners and 130 baht for Thai local. To fully experience the real camping situation, we need to cook our own foods. However, for beginners like us, it's quite difficult, especially when starting a fire.
เอาไม้วางก่อนก็ได้ครับ
Thanks to the other campers' helping hand, now we can have a feast. By the way, if you're asking what did I do, I help out also preparing the foods, fellas. It's already 6 p.m., but the sun is still bright. Good morning, beautiful creation. I also found out that the hanging bridge near the dam is also the same bridge location in the famous movie The Thing Called Love. How cool is that? So we are now here at the bridge, guys. Makakita niyo tong bridge dito sa Kaeng Krachan Dam. There's actually 3 campsites here in Kaeng Krachan, and we choose to stay here at near the dam. So yeah, I'm not actually. Oh my god, this is so amazing, guys. Ang ganda. Oh my god. It's just so sad because everyone's still asleep and no one's gonna take my photo. Oh my god. Am I doing the shaking? Okay. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Yeah. So, siguro babalik kami mamaya para pumunta dun sa pinakadulo. I really want to go there, but I'm actually alone. The perks of traveling alone. I'm not traveling alone. I mean, the perks of waking up alone. I'm with my friends and my boyfriend. So yeah, this is the amazing view, guys. It's so cool. Waking up early in the morning gives me the chance also to roam around the place, and I found out that they also have stalls that sells foods and coffees for campers who didn't bring their own food equipments or cooking equipments rather. If you're worrying where to do some personal business and take a shower when camping, no need to worry because they also have a public toilet and showers for campers. It's clean and safe. Time to explore the beautiful Kaeng Krachan National Park. Thank you for watching, guys. To be continued next week. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now for more exciting and fun travel videos. See you next week. Bye. Ito na yung start ng paghinga ko. Ito na po yung practice para sa marathon.